Hey, hey everyone. So, next load that I will try to open for you is a BKS cylinder or BKS cylinder. It's a 5-pinner, so nothing really special. Well, the cylinder is rather unusual, at least for me. Come on. That's the key bitting, and that's the keyway. Like all BKS cylinders look like the Yale, but I would have to say it's a lot harder to pick than it looks, especially this curve over here. Hopefully you can make it. Come on, camera please, be so kind, focus. Yeah, this curve over here makes it a pain to put a pick there. You need a very thin one. So let's give it a try. So number 3. Start with number 1. 1. Come on, 1. It's not budge. This is 4. Okay, number 4 gave us a very nice click. And then who else? It's number 3 or somebody else. Seems like number 1. Okay, got a interesting click of number 1. Let's try number 5. Although number 2 maybe doing something, but anyway, let's see. Come on. So and open. Number 5. Okay. That was the BKS cylinder, and as I said, they're quite challenging lock, guys. If you happen to get your hands on them, just don't hesitate, get them. So I will not be able to get this lock, but I will show you something interesting about it. I will not get it because I don't know how, to be quite honest. I'll show you in a moment. So how do you divide in half these locks? I got one very similar one, a dome, that I received from E4Cam from Iceland, and if you see, I don't know if you got it like that or somebody else cut it, but you can remove it, so you can take it apart and then probably get it somehow, but this I still have not managed to find out how. So let me show you. So once you rotate the key, only one side, only from one side you can open it. You need to rotate the key usually to this degree. Maybe it's not on this side. No, probably it's not on this side. Let me check. It should be on this side. Okay, so you rotate the key and okay, let me try the other side then. Probably I don't see it. Oh yeah, it's this side. Okay. So you rotate it, and here on pretty much 90 degrees you will find a hole that comes here. Hopefully the camera will focus. Come on, camera. Okay. So here you will find a hole, and you need a paper clip where you will push just to find the hole again. Yeah, so you will push there pretty much, and then the lock comes apart. So these two metal teeth are, so one of them is actually only stuck from one side so that you cannot remove it. Same goes for the dome over here. So that's the part, maybe we can see it here. Yeah, so that's the one. Then right, so here, and the pole pulls out. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit longer than I would have liked, but thanks for watching, and keep it legal. Cheers.